system. Yan po siya. Yan po yung ibig sabihin ng Pickup ecosystem. Yan. So kung mapapansin niyo po, ito po yung ating online licensing portal. Okay? And sa right side po, yung verification website. And sa lower left, yung ating My App. And sa right side, yung AI-supported data warehousing and analysis. So ano po ba yan? So ito nga yung online licensing portal, which is yung current na ginagamit natin ngayon. And we have the verification website kung saan lahat ng data na nangyayari dito sa portal, for example, yung mga licensed contractors natin, dito po natin siya makikita sa verification website. And of course, ito nga po yung ilalunch natin this coming 2024, yung ating mobile application. So, ano po itong mobile application na to? Meron tayo diyang mga self-assessment na tinatawag. So, before you apply for a contractor's license, or if you would like to know kung ano ba yung category or classification na pwede kong applyan, so malalaman po natin agad yan sa, through our application. So, may calculations po tayo dyan, na makikita or pwedeng i-interact doon sa ating application. So, basically, this application is a complementary to our portal. Okay? So, kung ano yung mga basic questions about sa licensing, kung ano pa mag-apply, dyan po natin makikita sa sa application natin, sa My App po natin. Okay? So, dito naman po sa AI-supported data warehousing and analysis. So currently, pinapa-bid pa po namin yan, and undergoing pa po yung bidding process. So this system, lahat po ng mga data from this portal, okay? So magkakaroon tayo ng tinatawag na data mining. So data, for example, ilan ba yung licensed contractors in this region, in this category. So, doon po manggagaling niya. Ito po yung ipoproduce nitong system na to. And then, later on, ito yung tinatawag na natin magiging next generation na pickup portal. Wow, next generation. So, ibig sabihin, magiging matalino na yung system natin. So, let's say, gusto kong, paano ba ako mag-a-apply, just type in how to apply, ilalabas na kagad niya yung result. Okay? What is category, what is classification, instantly, ibibigay na kagad yung result sa inyo. Para siyang chat, AI chat, or artificial intelligence chat sa ating system. Okay? Aside from that, lahat ng mga ina-upload yung supporting documents, mga accomplished forms, automatically, na-check niya na agad, ay, kulang ng isang dokumento. Ay, kulang ng page ng ganitong financial statement. So, yun yung magiging output nitong AI-supported natin na system. Basically, it's a next generation system na po. Okay? So, yan po yung ating pickup ecosystem. Sino na po ba dito yung nakapunta sa amin sa office prior to pandemic? Or yung mga nag-file ng manual application? Meaning naka-folder pa po, tapos sinasabit sa office. Just raise your hand. Sino na po naka-experience nun? Okay, so lang. Ayun, sir. Dito ay Davao, sir. Yan. So yun po yung old normal natin. Yung nagpa-file ng application through folder, tapos sinasabit sa opisina po namin. Okay, yun po yung situation namin before the pandemic. Yan. Sa office namin sa Makati, ganyan kahaba po ang pila. Very exhausting yung itsura, stressful ang paligid. Kasi siksika ng tao, especially June 30th, which is the expiration of the contractor's license. So, lahat ng contractors in every regions, pupunta sa office just to file their application. And imagine niyo po, ang pila, ang aming office ay nasa 5th floor. Okay? Ang pila hanggang parking lot. So, ganun po ka-stressful ang last day of filing ng renewal of application. Ayan po, ang itsura ng aming opisina noon. Yan. So, yes, si Ma'am Joy, taga-specs. So, yung mga contractors association dati, tumutulong sa amin to pre-screen your application. So, inaabot po kami na hanggang sometimes alas 10 ng gabi. Ganun po katagal ang namin nun, ang nilalagi sa office kapag ganyang deadline ng submission. Yan. So, yan po yung counter namin. And yung mga application folders nyo po nakapile up, parang records room yung aming opisina during that time. Hindi nyo po siya masasabi na opisina. And comes the new normal. So during the pandemic, ito po yung naging opisina namin. So wala na pong tao, wala pong pila. At the same time, I know yung pandemic, very negative ang naging natin dyan, ang naging effect niya sa atin, sa economy, and sa bawat isa. However, on our part, it's a blessing in disguise. Bakit? Kasi nagkaroon tayo ng online licensing portal. Yan. So, ito po, lahat na po ng application types natin, lahat ng submission ng pickup applications is through online. Wala na po tayong ina-accept na application through the counter. Wala na po tayong ina-accept na manual application. Lahat po ay online. So this online system is available 24/7 and you can find it anytime and anywhere. Okay? So, meron po tayong papanoorin na short video kung ano ba itong pickup online licensing portal. Just an overview. Okay po?
Hello and welcome, everyone. Rick's here from PCAB. Today, I'm excited to walk you through the PCAB online licensing portal. We'll be exploring its key features and giving you a step-by-step overview of the application submission process. In June 2020, amidst the global challenges posed by the COVID-19 quarantine restrictions, the Philippine Contractors Accreditation Board, or PCAB, launched an innovative solution. With the technical support from the USA Deliver project, this portal was initially developed to facilitate the renewal of over 15,000 plus contractor licenses, mandated by law to be renewed by June 30th. Since 2022, the PCAB license application process has evolved into a 100% online platform. With streamlined requirements and fully digitalized, secure end-to-end processing, applicants can now access the portal anytime, anywhere. Accessible 24/7, this portal brings uninterrupted government services to the public. Applicants can pay securely via QRPH for online payments or opt for over-the-counter transactions at the CF Makati cashier. Real-time updates on the status of applications are provided through a personalized dashboard and via email notifications, ensuring you're always informed. Once approved, applicants can easily download their digital license certificate with a QR code for quick and convenient authenticity verification. And for added transparency, the public can verify any approved license through our verification website. The PCAB portal also supports online interviews via Zoom for new authorized managing officers and newly nominated STEs. Offering convenience, security, and efficiency, the PCAB online licensing portal is your gateway to hassle-free contractors licensing and registration services, anytime, anywhere. Furthermore, the PCAB online licensing portal process flow aims to simplify the application for a contractor's license. Follow these 6 steps to complete your application efficiently. Step 1. Make sure you have the complete application requirements before signing up to the portal. You may refer to the application requirement in an instructional guide available at the portal or scan the QR code. Step 2. Create a valid email address. Ensure that your email is active and accessible, as you will receive important notifications and updates. Then sign up for an account at the PCAB online licensing portal in either website. Make sure you use one account only for all application types, then log in using your registered account details. Step 3. Accomplish the digital forms and upload all required supporting documents. Then pay the application fees and proceed to submit your complete application. Step 4. Check the status of your application through your PCAB online licensing portal account and regularly check for notices and updates that will be sent to your registered email address. Step 5. Once approved, download and print your digital license from your PCAB online licensing portal account. And finally, Step 6. Verify the issued digital license by visiting these websites. Congratulations! You have successfully navigated through the PCAB online licensing portal process. By following these steps, you have streamlined your application for a contractor's license, ensuring that all requirements are met and your digital license is verified. For more information, you can connect with us through the following. Thank you very much, and best of luck with your construction contracting journey.
Yan. O, diba? Ganda ng ating pick-up online licensing portal. Pinadali. Okay? So, convenient, security, and efficiency. So, yun yung pinagmamalaki po natin sa ating pick-up online licensing portal. Okay. So, next topic po natin is about the requirements. So, medyo magiging technical tayo ng konti. Okay? So, yan po yung ating minimum system requirements. Ibig sabihin, ano po ba yung kailangan nating i-prepare before po tayo mag-file or mag-accomplish through our portal. Okay. So, basically, kailangan po natin ng laptop or desktop or kung saan po kayo mas madaling makapag-accomplish ng forms, pwede po sa tablet kasi mas malaki po yung screen nun. Sa cellphone, pwede rin naman po, kaya lang, syempre, basically, maliit po yung screen natin. Kaya, it is much better kung sa laptop or desktop po kayo, quote-and-quote. Okay? So, syempre, para ma-open po natin yung ating system, kailangan natin ng internet browser, pwedeng Mozilla Firefox, or Google Chrome, or Microsoft Edge. Basta anything na nakakapag-browse kayo through the internet. And then, kailangan nyo din po ng portable document format viewer or PDF viewer. Mamaya po, i-discuss ko po siya kung ano po ba yung PDF viewer na ito. And of course, yan. Kailangan natin ng Microsoft Office or yung katumbas nun para makapag-accomplish tayo ng affidavit natin or yung mga templates natin na available sa online. Okay po? Yan. Siyempre, kailangan din naman natin na-connect sa internet. Kailangan din natin ng at least mabilis yung ating internet, pwedeng naka-fiber, or mobile data, or satellite, yung Starlink na tinatawag natin, pwede po siya. So ngayon, marami na po tayong ways para makapag-connect sa internet. And then, yan, kailangan natin siyempre ng susi sa system, yung ating account. So, paano po ba itong account na to? So, kailangan muna natin magkaroon ng gumawa or magkaroon ng Gmail or Yahoo Mail or Outlook or kahit ano pong corporate email, basta meron po tayo, basta active po siya at valid. Okay? Mamaya po, malalaman nyo kung ano ba yung functions or ano ba yung mga ipapadala mga notifications ni system sa ating email. Kasi, number one, ang lahat ng notices na nanggagaling sa ating system, pinapadala po sa ating email. And important po na meron lang tayong isang email. So, i-emphasize ko na ngayon, kailangan isa lang po ang email address na gagamitin natin for all application types. Okay? And one email, one company only. Okay? So, mamaya, i-emphasize ko ulit po siya. Okay. So, printer, yes, kailangan po natin ng printer para i-print po natin yung ating mga templates and later on, kailangan pirmahan ni amo or ipanauthorize yung ating templates. And scanner, yan, kailangan natin i-upload or scan yung yung mga documents natin before siya i-upload sa ating system. And then, syempre, yung user. So sabi ko nga kanina, kung marunong kayo mag-Facebook or TikTok, pwede na yan. Basta maalam po kayo or kahit paano, may basic knowledge kayo about sa paggamit ng computer. So, ito naman po yung ating makikita sa ating portal. Yung tinatawag natin na navigation menus. Yan. So, recently, na-update po natin yung ating system. And kung mapapansin niyo po dito, meron na po tayong tinatawag na submitted applications, license, documentary compliances, back fees, announcements, seminar schedules, instructional guide, frequently asked questions, and dito sa pinakataas yung ating mga application types. So dyan po kayo mag-accomplish ng digital works. Dyan sa taas, itong kulay blue. Teka po, i-demo ko lang sandali po. Okay. So, pag-clinic ko po itong submitted applications, ito po yung makikita ninyo. Yan. So, dito po mag-appear yung mga sinabit yung applications. Ongoing po siya or in process po yung na-appear dito na applications. So, at least, dito pala makikita nyo, ito pala yung mga pending ko na application or sinabit kong application. So, we have here the type of application, kung kailan yung sinubmit, and then the reference number. So, yun po yung submitted application button. The next one is yung back fees. Ayan. So, doon sa lower left side kanina, nandun po yung back fees. At pag clinic nyo po siya, mag-a-appear po dito kung ano po pa yung kailangan yung bayaran or kailangan yung isettle before or during before the release of your license. So ito pong back fees na ito ay upon evaluation of your application. So nag-a-appear po siya doon. So for example, upon evaluation, yung findings ay meron kayong penalties na 100